Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So we are going to find cube root of 5832 in few steps. So let's start with today's video solution. So to find out the cube root, first I'm doing prime factorization by dividing it with the smallest prime, that is 2. So when we divide it by 2, we get 2916. Now again it's an even number, so we can divide it by 2. So this gave us 1458. And it's an even number again, so we will divide it by 2. We get 729. Now it's an odd number, so now go with the next prime, that is 3. So 729 divided by 3 gives 243. Now 243 divided by 3 gives 81, and 81 divided by 3 gives 27. 27 divided by 3 gives 9, and 9 is the square of 3, so 9 divided by 3 gives 3, and 3 divided by 3 gives 1. So we have to do the division till we get 1. So what are the prime factors of 5832? 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, and in terms of exponent we can write it as 2 power 3 times 3 power 6. Now we have to find cube root. So I am taking cube root on both sides. So cube root of 5832, we can write this as 2 power 3 times 1 by 3 times 3 power 6 times 1 by 3. So we will cancel out. This give us 2 and this give us 3 power 2. So 2 times 9, that is 18. So cube root of 5832 is 18. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.